What's up guys, back out here with another video for you. I got a couple smaller trees to do here. Let me show you what we got. My customer's got this pig pen here and it's got a fence all the way around it, and he's got a whole bunch of stuff he wants me to do, but for today we're doing the trees that are inside of the pig pen here. Here's one of them. It goes up, it's got a right side. I gotta watch out for this fence, so I'm gonna set some rigging over here on this side and kind of swing everything around. This tree is the one that kind of needs to be rigged, and then these other two trees, maybe rope a few limbs out of them and pop the top. We can actually move this, but this is going to be the fun one. So they're chestnut oaks. I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. It's gonna be a great day. What's up, buddy? We're gonna cut the trees down?
Yeah, I have a chainsaw.
Do you?
Yeah.
Nice. What do you got there? Is that your Bible?
Yeah, my dad gave it to me.
Oh wow, that's
4
pretty.
years old.
That's super legit.
And now I'm 5 years old.
She's like the cutest one ever. Did you just turn 2?
Yes, her did.
Oh.
It's still her birthday.
Is it? 'Cause
Nice.
she still has cake, right? Is that why we said that? Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
What's up? We got Chico, my Niko. What do you think, bud?
I don't know, man.
Yeah, like wherever we do the, wherever I'm at, let's put the tarp down so all this turds don't end up on my rope. I mean, the chickens, they'll be fine.
Yeah, I mean, like you have some fresh chicken breasts in there. For dinner, bud.
And it hit one of them. Drop a block on that black one.
Fresh chicken breast inside, Johnny.
All right. Where's the saw at? Put a hammer in it. Watch your head, bud. Got a gusher. Leaning that way a little bit. I'd rather have a rope on it just to be safe. I need to buy another figure 8. I don't have one. I lost mine. I know what I'll never do again. Try to come down on my carabiner. Remember that?
You just got it twisted around the carabiner a couple times.
Nah, well, I'm good. The carabiner come open and I was hanging from the rope, bud, with my hands. One down, 3 to go.
You got any idea what the hell you're doing?
Nah, but I watched a few YouTube videos and...
I think it's like notch him and watch him.
Yeah, notch him and watch him. Yeah, I don't like him. He does a conventional notch. He wears 2 steel lanyards. And I just can't understand that. And he cuts the stumps up really high.
Yeah.
You know, he wastes so much board foot.
Yeah, because what's turning is in the board foot. Well, what the hell is he taking all the time to do that for? Because if he did that, everything like they said, you'd have other people be like, why in the world is he taking all the time to do that?
Ah, I didn't bring my saw with me, dude. Got a little ahead of myself here. There you go. Tie that rope on. I'm gonna have to rope a couple of these pieces before we pull the top. All right, it's got a little weight to it, not much. One thing I really like about chestnut oak trees is they're pretty stiff. Yeah, I'm gonna pitch the rope up in there and we're gonna cut the whole top, Johnny. Shouldn't have to pull very hard. Nice job, fellas. All right, let me explain this real quick. So we want to use that top to rope everything from back here to kind of get it to swing in the right landing zone. Since that top right there is really kind of smaller than some of the ones we're going to be cutting, we put it right here. And what happens is the tension pushes down on here and it pulls, and instead of pulling the limb down like this, it compresses the limb back toward the tree. One thing I always look for when I'm setting up my rigging is there to be an A shape and the limb be right in the middle, like in the middle of the TP. That's what you're looking for. I mean, you can rig it the other way, it just puts a lot of stress on this limb. So damn, I should have cut that one limb off.
It'll be all right there.
It'll work better without it though. It'll only take me a second. The cool thing is, we got it swinging where you pretty much just let the rope go and let it fall, you know? I gotta get this top.
Get that top and that one limb right there, and then we can move the rope around the other
Right. Oh, you ain't even got to put it in the wrap then. It's got a lot of friction up top already. You know, I really think natural crotch rigging is puts a lot less stress on stuff, you know? The pulleys seem like they jerk the tree around a lot more. Hey, move that saw. Ready? Nice job. Yes, sir. Me likey. All right. Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna drop crotch this one. Just hope. Leave it right there. job. All right, ho. Well, we got everything down, guys. I know it wasn't super cool job to watch, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know we had fun doing it. I'm just always filming each project because there's always something in there that I can pull out to show you guys. If you guys are finding value to this content and you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And leave something in the comments. I always want to hear from you guys. But that's all we got for now, so we'll catch you on the next one.